Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I am in my pajamas. It's the end of the day, got no makeup on, and I'm going to be taking a look and reviewing this water flosser by the brand ABOX. Basically, it was like a reasonably priced, well-reviewed water flosser on Amazon in this style. And if you don't know what a water flosser is, basically it's a tool that shoots water in a tiny stream so that you can use it to like floss your teeth. That's the whole premise. So they come in two different styles that I'm aware of. This like travel size where the water tank is underneath, and you can unhook it. If I was strong enough to, I could unhook it from the device, or you can get, it's almost like a desktop version where the big water tank just sits on your bathroom counter, and then you just pick up the handle part, which is connected with a tube that sends the water, and you can floss your teeth that way. But I opted for this travel size type machine, and this thing actually charges via USB. So you just stick the USB in here and let it charge up. It lets you know how like charged it is as it goes, and just a regular USB on the end. Now, we have had this thing, I want to say a full month now, and I've only charged it once. And I only charged it once because I thought maybe I should charge it, like it wasn't out of power or anything. So that's cool. One thing I did just notice is the charger cover has fallen off. And I swear that was on the machine a second ago. So I'm just going to retrace my steps and try to find that piece. Now that might actually be a problem because they do say in the instructions that this thing is not like watertight unless you have the piece that covers the charging prongs. So obviously right away, a huge design flaw. This little piece is just like a little piece of plastic that you stick inside the machine, and it just kind of clogs the hole. So I've lost it. I swear I had it. After I finished charging it the other day, I did put it back in, but it seems to have fallen out and gotten lost, and I can't seem to see it anywhere. So that is a little upsetting. We'll see. As you can see here, the tank holds 300 milliliters of water. You can technically unlock it and remove it, but it's really hard to take off, and I'm not too sure why you really need to take it off. The front of the device has the charging port, and then it's got your normal, soft, and pulse modes, which you can switch just using the mode button. And then your on and off is right here. And then there's this extra little button at the top that you push in, and it helps take off the little heads that come with the device. And there are a couple different heads that come with this particular device. It comes with a few of what they consider like the normal ones, which just like has a spout that the water comes out of. And then it's got these like two different fancy types as well. This one is like a soft, flexible silicone, and this one is more like an actual brush. They say that this one's really good if you have like something on your teeth, like braces or a retainer or something. So I actually gave this one to Doug, and I've been experimenting a lot with this brush one. I'll take it over to the bathroom and show you how I clean my teeth with it. It's interesting, a little bit of fun, but I do find it very satisfying. So let's hop over and I'll show you how that's done. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit upset that I seem to have lost the like protective cover, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna have to keep my eyes open for it and figure that out. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna set you guys down and show you how to water floss. Hope you like my cute pajamas. So first of all, we're gonna fill the unit with water. You can't see it, but you can hear it. And then we just shut the door so the water doesn't come out. Beautiful. And now for the very shocking part where I floss my teeth with water. First of all, before I turn it on, I'm just going to put the mode to where I want it, and I actually use soft. Then I'm just going to go ahead and basically I'm going to go around all my teeth and just give it a couple seconds. And as this is happening, you'll notice that the water is like coming out of my mouth. You have to let the water out, otherwise you would like drown. So it actually takes a bit of coordination, a little bit of getting used to, and a little bit of, dare I say, skill. And you'll notice if you don't like shut your mouth, water flies everywhere. And when I first started using this device, man, I got water on the walls, water on the mirror. It was not good. And just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to show you the different modes. So there is soft. There's pulse. And there's like normal. Normally if I use this on like normal mode, I will easily use up a tank or two. But in soft mode, generally I have a little bit of water left in the device. And because my doctor recommends that I do use like soft toothbrushes, I tend to just keep it on soft. But anyway, let's head back to the filming studio so I can look glamorous again. Studio lighting. Alright, well that was very exciting. So let me get my thoughts together and we can review this thing completely. So it did come with a bunch of different heads, and it came with this box for traveling. I'm pretty sure this like type of device with the portable water tank is really meant for traveling, thus the box. Now the official name according to Amazon of this device is Water Flosser ABOX Oral Irrigator with 7 360-degree adjustable spinning tips. That would be the heads. 3 modes, USB rechargeable, 300mm waterproof portable dental irrigator, 2-minute timer, ideal for family dental care, used at home and travel, FDA approved. It was $49.99 and it came with free shipping, and of course I got it off of Amazon.ca. I will link the Amazon.com in my affiliate link down below. But aside from that, they do say that the water pressure in this device is 30 to 100 psi with 1400 to 1800 pulses per minute, if that means anything to you. They do say it takes a full 4 hours to charge. I just let mine charge the one time and it seemed okay. And again, hopefully the fact that I lost the cover is not going to be a huge issue. It does look like water type behind there, so hopefully if it just like dries out, it'll be fine. The device is rated 4.5 out of 5, which is partly why I got the damn thing. The other reason why I got it was like my mom has been using one of the desktop type ones, and she was telling me how like she's addicted to using it. Like after she eats, if she doesn't water floss, she can like feel the tension. And of course I thought she was exaggerating, or like, yeah, I know, like flossing does feel good. Occasionally I use the floss toothpick type things with like the little heads and the little strip of floss, and I will get in there and floss my teeth. But I have never tried a water flosser, and I have to say, now that it's been in my routine for like a month, at the end of the day, I really do look forward to water flossing. So I'm not 100% sure if I recommend this device as the be-all end-all device, like a lot of the things for random electronic gadgets I get on Amazon, but I do think it is a very, like, I do think it was worth the money I spent on it. Like, I'm not a vegetarian, and like when I occasionally eat red meat and I don't want to floss, oh my god, you can just feel that stuff up in your teeth. And with your head at the right angle and when you're doing it over the sink, this is TMI. But when you see like chunks come out, that is satisfying. Like, I don't really know how I lived before without it. Especially now that I can enjoy that like clean, fresh feeling every day. I'm not a huge flosser. I've never been a huge flosser. But this water flosser is really enjoyable to use. So overall, I'm going to give the ABOX water flosser a 4.5 out of 5. Half a point off because of this damn thing that I lost immediately after opening. It was bound to happen, but hopefully it keeps working fine. Comment down below in a little while and ask me for an update, and I'll let you know what the status on that is. I think if it did die or for some reason it didn't continue working, I would seriously look at getting like a bigger tank type one that could sit on my desk now that I know I like really enjoy it and enjoy using it. Of course, it's a good idea to definitely talk to your dentist before you go ahead and make a purchase like this, just to see, make sure they recommend it. Maybe they can give you tips on what settings you can use or a device that you should use, but honestly, I recommend it. Whatever you purchase, heck yeah, I think I'm a water flosser. Water flosser for life. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. December's so great for YouTube too. Everybody's at home watching. Thanks to all the new people who have subscribed recently. Thank you for watching, and shout out to my beautiful patrons who helped me make weird purchases like this. This was basically an entire month of Patreon. Thank you guys so much. If you'd like to see more beauty videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, like this video, comment down below, you know the drill. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye. Ooh, I found it. Finally. Oh, I dropped it. Oh god, why? Okay. Alright, there we go. That's how she's supposed to look.